You've spent hours on Amazon, scrolled past hundreds of products, and still walked away with nothing that actually changed anything. This is GEARHOUND, I'm Marcus. I've spent years hunting down tech that actually solves real problems, not the flashy junk that looks good in an unboxing and collects dust by Tuesday. Today's lineup: 17 gadgets that'll upgrade your desk, your home, and your daily carry without burning your wallet. I scanned over 200 products this week. These 17 made the cut. Links in the description if you want to grab any. Hit subscribe, let's get into it. You know that 3 p.m. wall, the one where your brain just stops working and the office feels like a sauna? I hit that every single day until I put this thing on my desk. The BREIS USB Clock Fan. Soft PVC blades so you don't lose a finger, flexible gooseneck so you aim it exactly where you need it. And here's the part nobody talks about spinning in those blades. There's a live clock and temperature display. Real time. No extra gadget, no extra cable. Plug it into your laptop, your power bank, your wall adapter, it doesn't care. I've had this on my desk for 2 months. First thing I look at every morning. Trust me on this one. Real talk, most lamps are dumb. They plug into a wall, they stay there forever, and the moment you want light somewhere else, you're running extension cords like it's 1,987. The AUGE light is the opposite of that. Touch the top, it turns on. Touch again, it dims. No cord, no plug. Built-in rechargeable battery, USB charged, and it's genuinely that compact. Camp with it, put it on your nightstand, carry it to your backyard dinner. I almost didn't include this one. Then I took it camping last month. Now it lives in my bag permanently. The light quality is warm, soft, zero flicker. Your eyes will thank you. Ever stumble to the bathroom at 2 a.m., slam your shin into something, and spend the next 5 minutes questioning every decision you've ever made? Yeah, this fixes that. 6 motion sensor lights, auto sync, so they all fire the moment they detect movement, not just one, all of them, simultaneously. 3000K soft white, so it's not blinding you in the dark. 1500 mAh rechargeable, USB-C magnetic mount. Stick one on every stair, every dark hallway, every bathroom wall. No wiring, no electrician. Out of everything I scanned this week, this one made the cut because of one thing: it actually works exactly as advertised. Solid build, legit performance. Back when I had my store, the #1 complaint from Apple users was cable chaos. 3 devices, 3 cables, 1 nightstand that looked like a server room. The SwanScout 708 ANs that iPhone dock, Apple Watch puck, AirPods pad, all in one station, single USB-C cable in the back. But here's what actually got me. There's a built-in digital clock display on the unit itself. So your nightstand goes from 3 cables and a tangled mess to 1 clean hub that also tells you the time, charges at full speed. No weird compatibility issues. I've been using this for 6 weeks, no regrets. Every camping chair I've ever owned had the same problem. You get to the spot, you spend 5 minutes fighting the setup, and by the time you sit down, you're already annoyed. This one opens like an umbrella. 1 motion, 30 seconds. Done. 600D fabric, 150 kilograms rated load. That's not a lightweight chair pretending to be tough. That's actually built right. And the 360 degrees swivel seat means you're not stuck facing one direction around the campfire. Weighs next to nothing. Comes with a carry bag. My buddy who hikes serious trails swears by this, and he doesn't lie about gear. Okay, this is the one I mentioned earlier. Here's why it kept me thinking. 26 LEDs. That's not a reading light, that's a reading system. 5 amber color modes, stepless dimming, 100 lumens peak output. What that means for your eyes: no blue light hammering your retinas at midnight. Warm amber tones that your brain actually registers as calm down, almost sleep time. USB rechargeable, so no batteries dying mid-chapter. I bought this with my own money to test. Ended up buying a second one for my reading nook. The first one now lives clipped to my headboard. This one fooled me, looked basic, actually dialed in. Quick question for the pack, drop it in the comments. Do you read physical books or do you go full digital? I'm in the physical book camp, no shame. Tell me which side you're on. Butane lighters and wind are enemies. You know this. You've been at a campfire, flicked that lighter 15 times, cupped your hands, turned your back to the wind, and still nothing catches. The SKRFIRE kills that problem with a double plasma arc, not a flame, an arc. Wind doesn't touch it. And there's a click sound when it fires, which is satisfying in a way I cannot fully explain. Metal housing, built-in LED charge indicator, USB rechargeable, no more buying disposables, no more running out of gas at the worst moment. Real talk costs less than 4 disposable lighters and outlasts all of them combined. That's just math. Here's the thing about phone timers for focus sessions. The moment you pick up your phone to set a timer, you've already lost. Instagram is right there, messages are right there. You check one thing and 20 minutes disappear. The QUMOX F6 is a physical cube. Flip it to 5 minutes, 10, 30, or 60. Gravity does the rest. Silent mode, vibrate, or audible alarm, your choice. Hexagon design, sits on your desk, looks sharp. No app, no phone, no distractions. If you walk into my old store and told me you were struggling to focus, I'd put this in your hand first. Simple tool, real results. You've worn wet shoes the next morning. Everyone has. And there's that specific misery of putting on shoes that are still damp and cold and just wrong. SHOEDRY OZONE fixes it at the source. Not just drying ozone technology, that means it's killing the bacteria, eliminating the odor at the cellular level, not just masking it with a spray. 100W motor, silent operation, 2-hour gentle dry cycle. Works on ski boots, work boots, sneakers, gloves. If you're a cyclist, a hiker, a runner, this thing earns back its cost in the first week. I know it looks simple, don't let that fool you. It works. Okay, this one made me laugh before it made me buy it. A tiny umbrella. For your phone. Sounds absurd. But here's the real problem it solves. In direct summer sun, your phone screen is basically invisible. You're squinting, tilting, shading it with your hand, doing the whole embarrassing dance. And worse, your phone's getting cooked. UPF 45+ anti-UV coating on the canopy. Magnetic mount, 360 degrees rotation, folds flat. Works in your car, at the beach, at an outdoor market. Costs less than a phone screen repair. I bought this with my own money, genuinely skeptical. Now it's in my bag every summer trip. Sometimes the dumb-looking gadget is the smart one. Almost done. Save your strongest reaction for the last two, especially the final one. I've never seen anything like it on a desk. This looks like a ring. It is a ring, and it lets you scroll TikTok, Instagram, YouTube without touching your phone. Bluetooth, slides onto your finger, works from across the room. But it's not just scrolling, it's a camera remote for selfies, a page turner for ebooks, volume control for media. Content creators are picking these up fast. If you do recipe videos, workout videos, anything hands-free, this is the move. Battery lasts forever because it's doing almost nothing power-wise. Cheap enough to have 3, one in the kitchen, one at the desk, one in the bag. This is one of those gadgets that sounds dumb and then you use it and can't imagine not having it. 1.7 ounces. Read that again. That's the weight of this thing. And it inflates a full air mattress 10 times on a single charge. But it's also a camp light 40 to 400 lumens, 3 settings built into the same unit. Pump mode, light mode, vacuum mode to compress your sleeping bag on the way out. 3 functions. 1.7 ounces. I have been camping since I was a kid, and I've never had a pump that also handled lighting. This genuinely changes the pack weight conversation. If you're serious about backpacking, this earns a permanent slot in your kit. This one's for anybody running a small business, cafe, barbershop, studio, pop-up. Your storefront sign is the first impression. And a dull, static open sign from 2003 isn't doing you any favors. This LED sign runs 4,000 plus color combinations. Flash modes, scroll modes, neon simulation. Bluetooth app controls it all, including programmable business hours, so it turns itself on and off automatically. 100,000 hour LED lifespan. Back when I had my shop, I'd have put this in the window day one. Visibility is revenue. This sign is the cheapest marketing upgrade you can make. Look, not every gadget has to solve a serious problem. Sometimes a gadget just has to make you the most interesting person in the room. 7 LED colors, 2 modes, steady glow or pulse. Built-in battery, USB charged. These are the glasses you wear to a festival and end up in 15 strangers' photos. The cyberpunk visor design is genuinely sharp, not cheap party store stuff. I wore these to a backyard cookout as a joke and 3 people asked me where to get them before I finished my burger. I bought 3. 1 stayed, 2 disappeared. That's actually a great sign for a product. This is the desk gadget that surprises people. You set your phone down, face up, horizontal, and the speaker automatically activates. No Bluetooth pairing, no app, just induction. The sound amplifies through the unit, clean and full. It's also your phone stand, angled exactly right. And there's a 2000 mAh power bank built in for emergency charging. 4 functions, 1 device. The no pairing part is what makes this for my parents, my grandparents, anyone who finds Bluetooth setup genuinely confusing. Set it on the stand, music plays. That's it. If you walked into my old shop looking for a gift for someone who hates complicated tech, I'd hand you this without hesitating. 150,000 revolutions per minute. Let that number land. That's the motor speed on this air duster. 45 meters per second air velocity, it ejects dust from keyboard gaps, GPU heat sinks, fan blades, speaker grills, 5 nozzle attachments, 2 brush heads, 3 power settings, cordless, rechargeable, 500 plus reuse cycles. You know what a can of compressed air costs? And you know how fast it runs out? This replaces the whole habit. I've been using this on my setup for 4 months. Dust doesn't stand a chance. If you build PCs, repair electronics, or just take your workspace seriously, this one's a no-brainer. One charge lasts a full deep clean session. And we finish with the one that made me stop scrolling for a full minute. This is a globe, floating in midair, no strings, no stand touching it. Magnetic levitation technology keeps it suspended and spinning 360 degrees continuously, automatically. The base has a power cut protection system, so if electricity goes out, it softly absorbs back down instead of crashing. 6-inch diameter, detailed world map, LED lighting on the base. I almost didn't believe it worked until I set it up myself. Now it's on my desk and I genuinely cannot count how many people have stopped mid-conversation to stare at it. This isn't just a gadget, it's a conversation starter that never stops. Tell me in the comments which of these 17 are you actually buying. I read every reply. Let's go.